Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a preparation video for my spring semester. So here are the books that I have for this semester, and so these are books that I use for my math course, and they come with a really nice stamp that they come with a really nice label that I'm going to use. And as you guys can see that it is grid paper, so I really like that for math classes. That's just the name of the book, and I got it in orange color as well, and then I have a spiral notebook as well. So first of all, I'm just going to remove the main label off this notebook. Now I'm going to take the label that came with the notebook, the label sticker, and I'm just going to cover up most of the logo of it just because I want to write my name over there. But I like the word cover book because it's with a K. That's just weird, but yeah. Okay, so these are letter stencils that I got, so I'm just using the bigger version of it, and I'm just writing down my name using a random marker that I had. Alright, and now I'm gonna open my phone. I was just looking for some reference pictures that I already had. I took them from Pinterest. So I was just looking at some reference pictures and also at my timetable that I have for my classes. So now I'm going to use the smaller stencils, and I'm going to use my Uni Pin fine liner in a 0.6 millimeter tip. And I'm just going to write down the course code for my class. So this is for MTT 202, which is a math class that I have for this semester. I'm taking 5 courses this semester at uni, so I'm just gonna be preparing for those 5. I think I messed up over there with the 8, but it's fine. Okay, yeah, so the name of this class is Discrete Mathematics, so I'm just writing that down. I think I didn't understand how to use these stencils at first, but once I got the hang of it, it was actually a very nice stencil. And now I'm just gonna make a border around it using the same pen, and that's the label for one class. Now I'm going to move on to the second notebook, which is the same brand, but this is going to be for my other maths class. It's in a bright neon orange color, so I really like it. I'm just going to do the same thing again, put the stencil and write down my name. Okay, on this one what I did is I thought that I would just use the pen and not the marker, but then I later on realized that that wasn't the right way to do it, because this is glossy label, like the paper is a glossy sticky paper, so it wasn't working, so I had to go back with a marker. And for this one, I thought that I would try to create a label exactly the same size as the one in the front, the sticker, so I just measured that out, and I'm just using a pencil to create the outline. And that's one thing I like about grid notebooks, that you can use the outlines very clearly, because I'm very bad at creating straight lines. That's one of the things that I'm really bad at doing, so this is very nice and easy for me. So I'm just doing the exact same thing again, just writing down the course code, which is MTT 102. And this is a Calculus 1 class, so I'm just writing down the name of the course. As you can see that I had gotten the hang of it by now. You just have to slide the stencil, you don't have to pick it up, because otherwise you will lose balance of where the line is. And now I'm just writing down more information about the course. And that's pretty much it for this one as well. And now I'm gonna go on and write on my other spiral notebook that I got. So this is just a ruled line notebook, and I thought that I would ditch the stencil for this one and just write it myself. So this is for structured programming. That is one of my major courses. I'm going to be learning Java programming, so I'm really excited for that. And now I have this notebook that I want to divide into half for 2 subjects. So that's what I'm just doing over here. I'm trying to find out the exact ratio to divide it properly. And I'm going to use the bigger stencils at this time because I thought the bigger one would look cooler. So I'm just going in with the bigger ones, and I'm just writing NSC, which is the course code for natural science class. And I'm just going to go in and write down the course code. So it's NSC 201. And of course, I'm going to write down some more information about the course. And that's one course done. And now for the second one, then I'm going to be dividing this book into half for. So this is my society course. So I'm just writing SOC 102. Or sorry, 201. I'm just going in and writing more information about the course, and of course I'm going to write down the title of the course, which is Society. So that's pretty much it for this week. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll come back next week with another video, and stay tuned for a part 2 of this series where I plan my bullet journal for spring with you guys. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.